Did you know that you can create professional-looking videos using AI tools without ever showing your face? Let me show you how. Let's explore various free AI tools available online that can help you create engaging videos. First up, we have script generation tools. Websites like ChatGPT can help you brainstorm ideas and write scripts in no time. Just type in your topic, and boom. You've got a script ready to go. Here you can paste some brilliant prompts to get brilliant results. Don't be like me, lazy guy. Then, we move on to video creation platforms like Canva or InVideo. But for this video we will use Canva. These platforms offer a range of templates and stock footage that you can use to piece together your video effortlessly. You can customize your videos with text overlays, music, and animations, all while keeping your identity hidden. First, select the YouTube video format from home, then from sidebar select Magic Media in Applications. From here select Video Generation and copy the script from chat and paste here to create Scene 1. Like this, create all then scenes one by one. Many people struggle with video creation due to shyness, lack of equipment, or not knowing where to start. It can be really daunting to think about appearing on camera, especially if you're not comfortable with it. Plus, purchasing expensive gear or editing software can feel like a major investment, especially when you're just starting out. And let's be real, trying to figure out all the technical stuff can leave you feeling overwhelmed. But here's the good news. You don't need to face those challenges alone. This video addresses those issues by introducing you to some amazing, user-friendly AI tools that will help you create fantastic videos without ever needing to show your face. When it's done here, next, we have voiceover options. If you're not comfortable recording your voice, there are AI voice generators like Descript or Synthesia. These tools let you choose different voice styles and accents, making your video sound professional and engaging. When you are done with VoiceOver, then upload the MP3 file in Canva and bring it on the video frame. Lastly, don't forget about editing. You can edit this video here simply with just free tool. Or, free editing software like DaVinci Resolve can help you polish your videos before you publish them. With these tools at your disposal, creating videos has never been easier. And that's it, here you go. From the deepest oceans to the highest mountains, the world is home to incredible creatures, each playing its part in the balance of life. The lion, known as the king of the jungle, rules the savanna with grace and power. In the skies, birds glide effortlessly. Sea turtles have navigated the oceans for millions of years. Elephants, with their gentle demeanor and immense strength, dolphins, known for their intelligence and playful nature, remind us of the joy in life. Every creature, big or small, plays a role in the circle of life. Let's protect it, for the animals, and for future generations. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Happy video making, everyone!